All right, here's how to go through and verify your domain. Make sure that your ad sets are duplicated and your pixel is firing properly. A lot of times, people recently have been running into issues regarding the iOS 14 update. So I thought I would just quickly show you how to fix those settings if you run into them. So first of all, you want to go to your ads manager and click on business settings. The way you get to that is by clicking this little grid here. Once that pulls up, you're going to want to scroll down to brand safety and click domains. You can see that I already have a couple of domains that are verified, but the one that I want it to go ahead and verify is my own, which is goodteam.agency. So I'm going to walk you through the process of verifying your domain. First of all, if your domain's not showing up here, that means that it has not been verified, and you need to do that. If it is showing up here, you know that it's verified if it has this green dot here. So you can see that these are already all verified, but I'm going to add a domain. So here is how you do that. Just simply click add and type the URL without HTTPS in it and click add domain. So you're going to follow the instructions here to add the DNS TXT to the record. The way you do this is by logging into your domain registrar. For this example, I use GoDaddy, so I'll walk you through the instructions on that. All right, so once you're logged into GoDaddy, you're going to want to navigate to your domain. So go to My Products and click on the domain that you want to edit. Once you get here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Manage Domain DNS. And what you're going to do is add a new record. Type is going to be TXT. Host is at. Value, you're going to go back to your ads manager and just copy this. Paste it here. And 1 hour. Click save. And it shouldn't take too long to actually verify your domain. It can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 24 hours. Typically, it doesn't take too long, but I just like to refresh the pages, give it a second, and then click verify. So we're going to wait a minute until it verifies. Okay, so once it's verified, you should get this little pop-up. You can click done. And that is what you need to do to verify. You can see now that if you refresh the page, that dot is now green, which means that your domain is verified. If you're working with an agency or you are an agency, then you're going to want to add assign partners to this domain so that either yourself as an agency can edit it or use it for campaigns, or the agency you're working with can edit it. You simply just assign partners, and whoever's a partner or an admin on that account can then have access to it. So the next thing you want to do is verify your pixel is firing correctly. And the way to do that, easiest way to do that, is to add the Facebook Pixel Helper extension to Chrome, whatever browser you're using. I use this quite often, so simply just download it and then pin it to your Chrome. It's right here. This is what it looks like. The way to work that and to verify that your pixel is working is you just simply go to the website that you're working with that you think the Facebook pixel is on. And if there is a pixel present, then it will turn blue here and show you how many pixels are on there. So you can see that Good Team Productions pixel is present, which is the pixel name. And that's good to go. So once you verify that the pixel is firing properly, then you're going to want to go and duplicate your ad set. I don't have any ads running on this ad account, so I'm going to use a different ad account. But it's pretty simple to duplicate your ad sets. This is something that I do quite often as part of my strategy when I am running ads for clients. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is navigate to the ad account that you're working with, select the campaign that you want to duplicate the pixel, check the ad set. I'm sorry, you want to duplicate the ad set. Make sure this box is checked and then click duplicate. If you want everything to be the same, then you'll click original campaign. If you want to add it to a different campaign, you can click existing campaign and you'll have all your campaign names here. And if obviously if you want to create a new campaign, you can do that. For this example, we're just going to add it to the original campaign. Number of copies should be 1 and show existing reaction, comments, and shares on new ads. Make sure that's checked. Then you click duplicate. And what it's going to do is pull up the edit box. I would highly recommend changing the names on your ad set and your ads just to keep everything organized if you're looking at it from a campaign view. I don't ever delete any ads or ad sets in order to keep all of the data on those ads, so I would not recommend deleting any ad sets. Once you have duplicated the ad set and you make sure that this conversion event is lead and the pixel is whatever pixel you're working with, this is a different ad set that I'm using, so the pixel name is different. You should be good to go. A lot of ad sets are being paused right now due to the update, and they're not showing as paused, so it's good practice to just go ahead and duplicate your ad set just to be safe. And that should solve your problem. If not, Facebook support is incredible. Pro tip, be as nice as you possibly can to them. They have a horrible job, so it doesn't hurt to be nice.